Yes, right here. This is the product pick of the week this week. It is the LPS28 pressure sensor. I'm displaying the current temperature and pressure. I can change that rapidly with this little tube here, which you can see is ported onto the sensor there. So I'm going to sip. You can see that pressure changing, and if I blow on it, it says puff, and you can see that graph going up. Now the other thing you'll notice is I set this up as a scroll wheel, so I can scroll my code a little bit at a time if I just press with a little pressure, or a lot. So it's able to read that pressure, both sip and puff, quite accurately, enough to do things like this assistive device. LPS28 pressure sensor.